HW16DE is a newly developed hydraulic transmission bulldozer with high technological content and reasonable design. Power system. It adopts Weichai engine with rated power up to 131 kilowatt, high combustion efficiency and faster dynamic response. Transmission system. The whole machine is equipped with planetary power shift, force lubrication gearbox and hydraulic power steering system. The machine is easier to operate with efficient power transmission and production efficiency. Cooling system. A closed system is adopted to improve the cooling water evaporation temperature and heat dissipation efficiency. Newly enlarged radiator. The heat dissipation effect reaches the optimal state, ensuring the normal operation of the whole machine under heavy and high load. Hydraulic system. Equipped with the mainstream 14 megapascal working hydraulic system, it has a stable overload protection function, greatly reduces the failure rate according to the working conditions. It can be equipped with straight tilting blade, semi-U blade, U-shaped blade, coal pushing blade, sanitation blade, angle blade, traction frame, and ripper. The whole vehicle adopts waterproof connectors, new relays and iron-cased instruments to effectively avoid electrical system failures. Equipped with an intelligent LCD display, it can monitor the working status and fault diagnosis of the whole machine in real time. Ergonomic hexahedron cab, large space and good vision, excellent anti-vibration performance and good damping cabin, standard configuration of cigarette lighter, USB interface, storage box stick up holder, providing a richer humanized driving experience, widely applicable to highways, railways, mines, airports, etc. It is used in pushing, excavating, backfiling earthwork, and other bulk material operations. It is an indispensable mechanical equipment for construction, municipal roads, and water conservancy construction. Do business. Choose Hengwang. Will make your business prosperous.